We're able to move it. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new bar cart. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. So go ahead and actually check it out. Putting this together is pretty straightforward. It's mostly the frame, the 3 shelves, the bottle rack section, and then the wheels. Nothing complicated, just take your time, tighten everything evenly so it doesn't end up wobbly. What people actually care about with a cart like this is the size and capacity. It's a 3-tier cart, which is what makes it useful. Top shelf is where you'd put your normal prep stuff. Middle shelf has the wine rack area, so you can store bottles on their side and hang glasses underneath if you set it up that way. And your bottom shelf can be the heavy duty storage area. The weight rating is actually solid as well. The top shelf holds up to 110 pounds, the middle shelf holds about 90, and the bottom shelf holds about 110 pounds as well. So even if you're not using it as a bar cart, it can handle being a coffee cart, snack cart, storage cart without feeling delicate. All right, and here's what it looks like once we got it all fully set up. Got your wine rack here, place for the glasses, and you can kind of set up whatever you like up here. You got plenty of space right down here. Super cool. So you're able to move it. It does have for you to, put the brake on it in case you don't want it moved, but you're also able to move it if need be. Very cool. So you can see we're able to move it. All right, we can move it back. Only moving it slowly because we're on carpet, so it's just a little harder to push, but it is nice that it has the wheels on there. All right, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new bar cart, definitely consider this one. I'll leave the link in the description so you can get yours. Highly recommend.